Okay, so here we're going to review how to do the area model. That is a concept that we learned a couple weeks ago. And the first example says find the area as a sum of the product x plus 2 and x minus 6. So they're giving us the area as a product here. Okay, the area as a product. Now they want us to find the area as a sum. So to help us do that, what we're going to do is going to multiply. We're going to multiply x plus 2 and x minus 6. Or actually, I could even do it like this. My eraser. Same thing your teacher does it like this. X plus 2. Okay, so we have x times x. So the product of two x's, two variables, is always the same variable raised to the power of how many x's, so how many variables do you have. In this case, we have 2. So it's going to be x to the power of 2. Then we have x times 2. I'm multiplying a single number by a single variable. So I just put 2x, like I'm putting them together. Same thing with this one, x times negative 6. A single number times a single variable becomes negative 6x. And then the last one is 2 times negative 6. So that gives me negative 12. Now at this point, I have to identify any like terms. And just looking at this, the like terms that I have, yes, 2x and negative 6x. Those are my like terms. So 2 plus negative 6, that gives me negative 4x. Okay, so when I express the area as a sum, I'm going to write down everything that I have inside my box. So I have x to the second power. 2x and negative 6x became negative 4x. So minus 4x and minus 12. So that is the area as a sum of the first problem. Example number 2. Now we have to again find the area as a sum of the product. So they're giving us the area as a product here. 3x plus 2 and x minus 5. So we're going to put 3x plus 2 and x minus 5. Okay, so again, I'm going to multiply 3x times x. I'm going to put the 3x, and I have two variables. I have two x's, so I have 3x to the second power. 2 times x is 2x. 3x times negative 5. Since I have a 3 and a 5, I multiply those. So that gives me negative 15. And don't forget the x. Then 2 times negative 5, that is negative 10. So I have to identify my like terms, which are 2 and negative 15x. And that gives me negative 13x when simplified. So the area as a sum is 3x squared minus 13x minus 10.